Hello, colleagues. My name is Professor Earle Abrahamson. I'm based at the University of Hertfordshire, and unfortunately, I am unable, this morning, unable to attend the Teal event in person because I'm currently presenting some of my work at the Aristotle conference in Utrecht, Holland. But what I've done is designed a quick video to help you understand one of the projects that I lead upon, a network which has been used to support staff going for teaching recognition awards, focusing on scholarly work, scholarship, and the scholarship of teaching and learning. So without any further ado, I will share my screens and take you through some of this project work. So on screen, the focus is on how do we use the scholarship networks to support staff who are considering NTF and CATE awards. So as I've said, that is my name. I'm based at Herts, and I have my email address right at the end if any of you would like to learn more about this particular project. So using WISER for a day, so thinking about the well-being of staff, innovation, scholarly activities, enterprise, and rewards and recognition, it was important for me within my role as Teal to think about in supporting staff, how do staff understand, embed, evaluate the impact, value, and reach of their work. And what a lot of staff found as a potential bottleneck, a difficulty within their writing, was around how do they consider, how do they use, how do they contribute to knowledge in terms of embedding scholarship into their work to support evidence for making their claim, or maybe potentially making their claim more impactful. So we created a network called Iseec. And Iseec, as you can see on screen, standing for Impactful Subtle Educational Enterprise Collective, with our motto being, I came, I saw, I seek, a play on words, but it's really about, Iseec is a network that is used to support a community of scholarly practice. In other words, we bring international scholars, those who are experienced in scholarship, to support those that are new too. And with an exchange of ideas with different themes, we're able to think about not only what scholarship means, and scholarship is often a broad and confusing term, but more importantly, how do we evaluate the impact of our work? How do we consider what matters most? How do we take an idea that we plant in the classroom, develop that into research, and share, disseminate those findings with wider, larger groups, writing about it, presenting about it, discussing about it, and actually including student voice, having students as agents of change to support the work that we do. So Iseek is there to tie all those chords, to connect people with places, with cultures, with process, with publications as well. So it's a dynamic work. So the way that we build Iseek and support the journey is through, for example, using research. So this model, most of you potentially have looked at this. It's the Kern model from 2015, showing the relationship and interrelationship and journey planner from getting involved with reading research, talking about the teaching, then to the practice of how teaching may work, which is more informal, moving into using research in the classroom. So that's how we get staff involved in thinking about the award structure. How have they embedded? Because one of the key features now, even on the new PSF, is value 3 is all about working together, working on a scholarly approach. And then the final part of this particular model is about the scholarship of teaching and learning, adding to a discourse, a literature base, and presenting that work, thinking about a taxonomy of questions around what works, what is, and what could the visions of the future be. And I think this is important that we all start thinking about as Teals, how we not only support the academic writing and the difficulty in writing an excellence award claim, but we also support staff in their journey through scholarship, in their journey of showing that through a scholarly approach, recognition is achievable and manageable. So Iseec uses that journey approach, uses process to inform product. So if any of you would like to know a little bit more about the Iseec project, or even attend an Iseec meeting, we have 6 meetings a year. We have a podcast series. We speak to staff about the processes that they engage, the bottlenecks, the difficulties, the challenges, but yet the enterprise and the reward that then follows. And these then form a resource to help this community of practice flourish. So as a Teal, I see my role as engaging with staff to enable them to contribute effectively and positively to how they embed, they evaluate, and they consider scholarship and scholarly teaching within their work. If you'd like to know more about Iseec, please do feel free to mail me. My mail address is now on screen, and I look forward to hearing from you. And I wish you all a wonderful time at this innovative Teal Network meeting.